So you heard TRVL had an innovative back office and you wanted to see what it's all about. All right, come on, let me show you. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mail, successful online entrepreneur, 6-7 figure, earning top of field multiple companies, including this one. And hey, I'm gonna give you a tour of the travel back office, also known as the real vacation lifestyle. Let's go. All right, so one of the things you should notice right away that everything looks real streamlined and looks real like up to date as far as, widget based and not so much, ugly looking like, one of the back office from 1994 when the internet was really starting to get popping, So as you can see back here, the reason why things are so innovative, why things are move so quick and easy just from, clicking on a clickable button and things like that is because this is actually cloud-based, okay? So what you're looking at is a cloud-based system. Now, we just got started. We're actually in pre-launch, so my numbers is going to be off because all we're taking in right now is people that lock in a spot. So as you can see, I already got 62 people locked in a spot within the first 48 hours. So this thing is really, really taking off. But let me go show you some things that make this back office really, really unique and innovative. So I'm going to come over here to my business, right? And then, you can do a visual tree of your back office. And when you get a visual tree, you'll see everybody in your team as like that. I can make it smaller so I can actually really dive in and see who's working, who's not, So, for instance, in this view, I can clearly see that this person right here is working, right? Let me show you right here. Let's go. Okay, right here. So I can clearly see that this person right here is working, okay? So I can pull up his whole organization right here, right? Say view, full profile. And then look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Look how easy that thing just pops up, comes in. And I can see that, he's already got 7 people on his team he's working with. I could pull up. And when these become IBOs, I'll be able to see a list of who they are. Okay. And then I can see about him, his volume, his orders, everything. I can see his whole progression. I can see where he's at, how far he is from getting qualified. Okay, what's his next rank? And when these, like I said, once people start actually paying and picking their packages, then all this will start to propagate. It'll start to make sense. I'll see exactly what level he's at, how far he's off from getting to the next level, so forth and so on. So that's real cool. I can also conversate with him. Okay, so right here you see I can chat with him and I can send him an email. He can also opt in and put his phone number back here and WhatsApp and things like that, and I'll be able to get with him like that as well. So look how easy it is if I wanted to just start a chat with him. Okay, that I can actually just do so. Hey, boss. Now this is real. Now this is beneficial to a lot of different things because now think about it. This could be beneficial if I want to say something like, "Hey, I see you only this much away from ranking up to your next spot, and I want to help you get there." You see what I mean? So this could be very, very beneficial when you really start putting that perspective. I can also look at a report like this, and then look at my downline as a whole. Okay, and then I can even do it by levels. So if I just wanted to go from level 1 and then work your way down, okay, so you can see these are all mine's personal, okay, and then I can at any time click on any one. My friend Ryan just joined yesterday, and then boom, I could pull up his stats, see what he's doing, see what he's not doing. Again, like I said, later on we'll be able to see more information. Like if I just want to see about me, pull those away. If I just want to see volume, pull those away. Active IBOs, total, and all these right here later will populate. Okay, they'll pull up. I'll see his, his matrix volume. I'll see his monthly. I'll see everything. Okay, I'll see how many orders he has, and how many times he paid. I'll see where his progress is at, how far he is from getting to the next part. Okay, and then we can see his rank where his ranking is at, so forth and so on. He can get started with training, okay, and go right to the training, and then mark it if complete or not. And we'll have access to that. It'll be more when we start to go live. You'll see it right here, and then you come over here to onboarding, and it'll be training. Right here, look how easy it is to get access to your marketing. You open this up and everything that has to do with marketing will be in this area. Here go your marketing actual website that you'll click right there, okay? So as they add more, then it'll be more. But as you can see, everything is just a widget base, which I like because, like I said, it just makes everything so streamlined. You got all these social networks right here that you can access to right away, easy. You can share your stories right here, right here on Facebook, Twitter, and stuff. And when they have the dates, right? So like right here, you see the calendar. So They're going to have dates of things like when we do our first trip, you know, our corporate events, things like that. And they'll all be right here in real time. And that way you'll always have access to it. Okay. Again, the training is not here yet, but we'll have the training courses that's going to be here. Right now, we just have to get started. They'll have different ones. And you'll be able to see where your progress is at. The thing I like also, like I said, the fact that we are able to talk to our whole team right through the back office, which is really powerful because think about when, you know, you see someone by your team and they might be having a lot of momentum, or they might be just a little bit away from ranking up to the next level. Now you can reach out to them in the manner that they chose. So they'll put what they want, whether it be phone numbers, chat, text, you know, WhatsApp. They'll put in their back office, and in turn, you have that information that you can be able to now actually get a hold of them. So real cool. We got the lounge, which they do every Saturday, okay, and that's where like a host of our global master ambassadors, Tanya and Denson, and you'll be able to have access to that where they do your trainings and things like that to keep you on point and on top of your game. We also have these webinars every day as well. So yeah, straight to the point, cut and dry. I'll do another video later when all this starts to really start to populate. You get to see just how good and how beneficial this is, especially you can see all the names right there and things just pop up. But just look how, like I said, just how innovative and how straightforward all this stuff is. You know, look how fast it is. You know, have you ever seen a back office moving this fast? You know, where everything is just quick and you can get right to it? I haven't. So awesome stuff, as you can see. Just want to show you exactly get with the travel back office and just show you how innovative it was and how quick. I mean, how many times have you seen a back office just look like, oh, what am I looking at here? And this is actually attractive. This looks like what we said, Neiman Marcus, right? So we told you we're going to give you a Neiman Marcus experience for Walmart prices. Man, can't get no better than that. So I can't wait as we start to go deeper in and start really growing. As you can see, we're already growing. I already got 62 personals. We already have over 100 on our team total. You know, what you can see if you look at my visual tree right here and just really get to see just how, you know, how big this thing is growing. So big, I had to shorten up the you know, how much you can see right here. So it's really taking off. Everything's really going good. It's been going excellent. I can't wait to do some updates when we start ranking up the bank up. All right. So if you're ready to get started with TRVL, the real vacation lifestyle, also pronounced as travel, then you can hit the link below. All right. If you don't know what that is, that's TRVLelite.now.site, and then we'll get you going. We'll get you set up. The quicker you lock in your spot, the better, because then you'll be put in this matrix. And you know, if you ain't think about matrices, then the higher up you are, the better. So I give you my matrix views so you can see what we mean by that. But the higher you are up on this totem, up on the totem pole, the better. Because if you, let's say right here, then you're gonna eat from all these people here. So you don't want to end up being down here. Right? You want to be somewhere up. But the good thing is that we are still cooking with grease. We are moving at an extreme rate. This 62 that you see I have is nothing because I still got 270 in my personal group. That's all got the hand raised saying they're ready to join because they see the vision. So, again, hit the link below if you're ready to get started. Or if you got questions, you know I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you may have. Now, if you've been following me, you say, hey, Quan, you know what? I know you don't forget money. This one just ain't for me. Or I just want to see what else you got going on. No problem. No problem. You see that link above? Actually, you see that QR code that's up there that's been there the whole time? You can actually scan that QR code and it'll take you to my top passive income opportunities. And you can see what doesn't resonate with you from there. All right? If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, have a blessed day.